In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Robinhood restricted account. Now, there's many reasons why your account may have gone restricted, and here are some of the common causes and solution. So number one is a negative balance, which occurs if you owe money due to failed bank transfers, fees, or a margin calls. So if your account got restricted due to that, here's what you need to do. You need to deposit funds to cover the deficit. You could do this via the app under account, transfers, and then deposit money, but just make sure that there are sufficient funds in your linked bank account to avoid further reversals. All right, and another instance is pattern day trading, or a PDT violation. So making more than 3 day trades in a 5-day period with a portfolio under $25,000 in a margin account can actually get your account restricted. And if you are in this situation, then what you could do is either maintain a portfolio value above $25,000 or switch to a cash account via account investing. And then you guys will see an option that says switch to cash accounts, or you guys can go ahead and wait out the 90-day restriction. You could also request a one-time PDT flag removal if you are eligible for it. Next up, we have failed bank transfers. So multiple transfer reversals due to insufficient funds or incorrect bank details could also trigger your account to be restricted. And to do this, you want to verify your bank account details in the app. So just make sure that it is actually correct. And of course, you want to make sure sufficient funds and update payment methods if needed. Next up is incomplete verification. So if you haven't completely verified your Robinhood account, that is going to be an issue, guys. You need to double check that your account is actually verified. So please go ahead and do so. So typically there's going to be like a widget towards the top that says verify account, but if you don't see it, what you need to do is you need to press over here to where it says account. Then you need to go ahead and select on settings, and then from here please select on personal information, and you want to make sure that all of this is actually correct, and you need to verify basically everything: your address, your phone number, your email address, etc. It really is important that you do that. Okay, and another reason why your account may have gotten restricted is due to fraud/security concerns. So suspicious activity such as an unusual amount of login attempts or potential fraud may trigger restrictions, and typically they're going to ask you to submit like a photo ID, bank statements, or maybe other documents as well. So again, you want to avoid logging in from restricted countries or public networks, especially public networks, guys. But guys, if you're still running into issues, then in my personal opinion, the best step is to contact Robinhood support themselves, and they will explain to you the entire situation. So in the application, you want to go ahead and select over here where it says account, press on these 3 dots just like so. Then you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see Robinhood support. Then go ahead and press on contact support, and basically you need to explain your situation in a clear and concise manner. And the key is to always be respectful and to always be patient, because they will attempt to help you out. I know sometimes working with like customer service really isn't the best, but honestly, if none of these things in this video did work, it certainly is worth trying. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.